room tour of 1356 on the Carnival Firenze. It is an upper-lower room. So we walk in, and this is the room. Like, it's super cute. So we have this desk right here. We got some cool inaugural sunglasses and an inaugural little bag. Got some little drawers, or a drawer thing. Got the trash can, my bag. We've got a closet here, like the hanging stuff. We got some drawers, the safe, some life vests. There is USB cords next to the bed. Got this little storage area. Got the single bed. Oh, a cute little throw pillow. Then we come over here and we got the TV, bottled water, got the cooler. I need to put my Dr. Peppers in there. We got some towels, and they're not solid blue. They're blue and red, so I wonder if that's a new design or if it's because of the ship we're on. Then we've got the bathroom here. We got the shower with the shower door, so that's nice. I don't think I've seen a shower door on one of these. Towels, toilet, we got some shelvy shelves. Yeah, so cute little room for $13.56. It's an upper lower interior on the Carnival Firenze.